And some news from the world of science. Physicists have narrowed the search for the elusive subatomic Higgs boson particle, which is also known as the God particle. It would confirm the way science describes the universe. And there's a Chandigarh connection to the experiment.
The Higgs boson is the missing link in the standard model of physics, which explains how the basic building blocks of all matter fit together. Its existence would explain the mystery behind what gives this invisible constellation of particles mass. For now, however, the Higgs boson only exists in theory. 4 scientists of the Department of Physics at Punjab University have been working with ATLAS, which is a particle physics experiment at the Large Hadron Collider of the European Organization for Nuclear Research, or CERN, in Geneva.
Higgs is the most important link in the theory of the Standard Model. This Standard Model is a theory which describes the interactions of the particles in the universe. And so once the Higgs is discovered, the theory Standard Model is complete. Without that, there are still missing links. So it is one of the most important ingredients of the Standard Model at the moment.
3,000 physicists from more than 174 universities and laboratories have been working on the project since 1997.
Physics Department, Punjab University. We are 4 faculty members, 2 engineers, 4 or 5 technicians, and about 9-10 PhD students. And all are participating in this experiment. And these experiments are always exciting. When we do such type of research, it is discovery level research, and as announced yesterday, it was an exciting moment yesterday when some results have come, positive results have come in the experiment.
Scientists from Punjab University have been involved in making parts of the sub-detector to be used at the ATLAS lab in 2013.
We are holding some hardware activities in this laboratory for CMS experiment at CERN, for which we are producing some part of detectors to be transferred to Geneva. For that, we have got a lot of electronics systems. We are making prototype gas detectors.
I just returned yesterday from CERN, so I was part of the big excitement which was going on there, and everybody was working day and night to get some result, which was discussed yesterday in the big meeting at CERN, and which gave some hints that it could be there. The particle which everybody has been looking for so many years seems like it is there, and we may have to run next year to confirm its existence.
CERN has reported that midpoint results from 2 separate experiments that arrived at the same conclusion, pointing to activity within a certain range of mass that would be consistent with the Higgs boson, and physicists are all excited.
What is called Higgs particle or God's particle also. Now why it is called God's particle? Because all the material particles, they'll get mass because of this particle. If somebody asks the question from where the particle, electron is getting mass or proton is getting mass, the explanation is that it is getting mostly from Higgs particle.
With camera person Akhil Manuja and Kirandeep in Chandigarh, Nal Chauhan, Day and Night News.